Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. This oven roasted chicken recipe with vegetables is so simple and packed with flavor. In a bowl, gather 1 cut onion, 1 cut capia pepper, 2 cut long green peppers, 1 diced tomato, 1 cubed potato, and 1 cubed chicken breast and mix with salt, pepper, dried thyme, red pepper flakes, and paprika. Pour 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and 60 ml of water mixture and 3 or 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil over the ingredients and mix gently. Line an oven tray with parchment paper. Place the ingredients over the paper. Then cover with another layer of parchment paper and secure the edges by folding inwards. Bake for 30 minutes in an oven preheated at 190 degrees. Take the top layer of parchment paper off and continue baking until golden brown on top. Roasted vegetables with chicken is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!